easy go.
Smart people, Miss H here. This is the part 2 of Unit 2 IAB test review, version 1. Okay, so we are at problem number 8. You're gonna solve this 4 equations. So first, problem A, 3 times negative 2 minus 3x equal to negative 9x minus 4. First we're gonna do is distribute 3 into parentheses. Okay, which means you multiply. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. 3 times negative 3x is negative 9x. Bring down negative 9x minus 4. Okay, since we have the variable to both sides of the equation, you need to bring one of them over. So we will add 9x to both sides. Okay, negative 9x plus 9x cancel each other out, so you don't have any x's left. We end up with negative 6 equal to negative 4. And obviously that negative 6 equal to negative 4 is a false statement. If it's false, it will be no solution. Okay, so whatever you choose for x will be a false statement no matter what, because there's all x's cancel each other out. Alright, part B. We have negative 5x minus 10 equal to 2 minus x plus 4. So parentheses, we need to distribute. So question is, what number in front of parentheses if you don't see one? Okay, this 2 is the other side of subtraction. So we have subtraction here without any number, which means it's 1. 1 is always invisible. So what you're going to do is distribute negative 1 into parentheses. That's give you negative x minus 4. And then we'll bring down the rest, negative 5x minus 10 equal to 2. After that, you will see if we can combine like term. I see that 2 minus 4 can be combined, right? 2 minus 4 will give you negative 2. Same sign, add them up, different sign subtract. So different sign subtract. Keep the sign of the larger number, then you be exact. So keep the sign of the larger number, which is the 4, which has negative, so we keep that negative sign. Alright, then we'll bring down the rest, 5x minus 10, and then bring down the negative x. Okay, similar like the last problem, when you have the variable to both sides, you need to bring one of them over. So you can either add x to both sides or add 5x. I like to bring the smaller number to the bigger one, so I will do it add 5x to both sides. Okay, add 5x to both sides, because negative 5 bigger than negative 1. That's why I move 5x over. So that will give us what? Negative 10 equal to 1x minus 5x, which is 4x minus 2. Then continue solving for x. You're going to add 2 to both sides. Negative 10 plus 2, that will give you negative 8 equal to 4x, right? And then we continue solving for x. You're going to divide by 4 to both sides. So negative 2 equal to x, or x equal to negative 2. Okay, so that's it for problem B. Now we go down to problem C. Okay, 14 minus 6 minus 3c equal to 4c minus c. So you see the negative sign without a number. What should I put? If you say 1, that's correct. So it's negative 1. So we distribute it in. That will give you 14 minus 6 plus 18c equal to 4c minus c. The 18 come from, oh sorry, not 18, huh? My bad. It's not 18. It will be negative 1 times 3, which is positive 3. So positive 3c. Alright, then we're going to do is combining like term. 14 minus 6, that will give you, what, 8 plus 3c equal to 4c minus 1c, which is 3c. Okay, we have the variable to both sides, so similar concept. What you're going to do is subtract 3c to both sides to bring one of them over. but in this case both of them will be cancel each other out. 3c take away 3c is going to be 0, and then bring down the 8. You have the statement 0 equal to 8, which is a false statement. When it's false, is no solution. Alright, last problem for problem 8. Now, on the test, the problem that you see may give it to you in multiple different ways. So the idea, it can be error analysis, it can be solve for x, it can be choose the x value to make the statement true, false, or many or no solution. So take your time, do all the work on the scratch paper. Okay, do everything on the scratch paper first. Alright, so over here we have 5t plus 9 minus 3t minus 13 equal to 2 times 11 plus t. So as you see that the difficulty level is get higher as the problem progress forward. So negative sign with no number, make sure you put 1. Hopefully you will remember that on the test. If there's a sign without number, it means it's 1. So distribute negative 1 into parentheses. The first parenthesis, there's no number, you can put positive 1, which is distributed, it's going to stay exactly the same. That will give you 5t plus 9. Oh, my bad. Negative 1 times 3t is negative 3t. Negative 1 times negative 13 is positive 13. Then we distribute the 2. That will give you 22 plus 2t. Okay. Then you're going to see if we can do any combining like term, like 5t minus 3t, which will give you 2t. And then 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13 will give you 22, positive 22, equal to 22 plus 2t. Now, at this step, some of you already know what the answer is supposed to be, and some of you say that, oh, well, you say what you need to say, but please take one more step. It's not done until all the variables cancel each other out. So subtract 2t to both sides. Then you have 2t minus 2t cancel each other out. You have 22 equal to 22, which is a true statement. Is many solution. Okay. Alright, one more time, make sure you subtract 2t to both sides, because on the test you may say something similar like this, but when you subtract 2t, not all the variable will cancel each other out. So do not assume that it's look the same. Sometimes you think it look the same, but it's not. Alright, we heading to problem number 9, 10 and 11. Okay, you know what, 9, 10 and 11 I'm gonna wait into the next video, because this video 8 minutes long. If I go through 9, 10, 11, it's left me with 12, 13 and 14, which is really short video. Okay, alright, if you need more time on this 4 problem, get rewatch the video. Otherwise get try 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14. Alright, see you guys on the next video.